Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing the WLtoys K969. This is a 1/28th scale RC that was purchased from BangGood. At the time of this video, the car retails for around $60 US or $75 Canadian, making it a great budget option for those of you who are looking to get a Mini Z but don't want to break the bank. Let's get into it. This kit pretty much includes everything you need to run the car. In the box, we have a 2.4 GHz remote, which is oddly similar to the Spectrum DX4 and has buttons to dial in the steering and throttle of the car. The kit also includes a USB charger and a LiPo battery. The USB charger can be plugged into your computer to charge the battery, and the battery is a 2-cell 400 mAh battery. We also have spare gears and a user manual. There are various models of this car. The K969 is a drift version of this RC. The design of the car looks really good and features a metal chassis. The body of the car is mounted with 4 clips similar to a lot of the 10 scale RC cars. These clips are small, so try your best not to lose them. This car has independent coilover suspension in the front and rear, which are actually pretty smooth. It's nice to see coilovers used on a budget RC, and these will help keep the car planted while you're driving it around. The kit I ordered came with 2 LiPo batteries. The batteries held into place with a couple more clips that hold down the plastic battery strap. Since the K969 is a drift car, it includes hard plastic tires to help it slide around. This car is also all-wheel drive that has closed differentials in the front and rear in the car, making it easier to initiate and hold drifts. The body that's included with the car is an unlicensed Porsche body. Unlike Mini Zs that are made out of hard plastic, this body is made of Lexan. It has a plastic film on top of it to protect it from getting scratched during shipping. To power on the car, turn on the receiver first, then press the power button on the chassis. The car's steering is pretty responsive and quick. The mini servo that is installed provides enough power to control the car during turns and drifts. The throttle is also pretty responsive and offers a forward brake and reverse. The brush motor installed offers more than enough power for this car. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with the WLtoys K969, especially for the price. There are a couple things I'm looking to upgrade, like changing the drivetrain since I did feel it was a little bit sticky, as well as possibly installing a Mini Z body. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe for more content. Take care and peace out.